Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Unity and loading the scene that contains the object you want to recolor. Select the game object in the hierarchy, then click its renderer to surface the material in the inspector. If the object uses a shared material, make an instance or duplicate it so you don't alter other objects. Once done, open the project window to locate the material asset. You'll need that asset available to edit shader properties directly. Now you'll modify the material's color and related properties. In the inspector, pick the correct shader for your pipeline, standard, ERP, or HDRP, because each exposes different parameters. Change albedo or base color with the color picker and tweak metallic and smoothness to affect reflectivity. Alpha controls transparency. If you need texture variation, paint or swap the albedo texture. Make sure to apply changes to the material asset. If you want runtime control, script color changes using material. Color or set color on renderer, material. Finally, implement runtime color changes or finalize assets for the build. To change colors in code, cache the renderer and call renderer. Material. Color or use material property block for batching efficiency. Save materials as prefabs or variants so you can reuse palettes across scenes. Make sure to test in both editor and play mode. If colors appear incorrect, check your project's color space, gamma versus linear, lighting intensity, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.